Hi, period one. Sorry that I'm missing you today, but I would like to take a moment to walk you through today's assignment. Uh, so, the topic is the Enlightenment, and the first half of this activities talking will be leading you to what historical circumstances led to or caused it. Here we have a definition of what the Enlightenment was. So it's a time period in Western Europe when philosophers and writers applied scientific ideas of reason to answer political questions. Sometimes the Enlightenment is known as the Age of Reason. From here, we're going to watch a video clip. Now, the transcript's here, but it's a pretty short video clip, so that may make it a lot easier. Will help you with this question. And then we're focusing on this part. What historical circumstances led to the Enlightenment? And you'll see that there's 5 parts. Power of absolute monarchs, the Protestant and scientific or Protestant Reformation and the scientific revolution, the increase of book production and literacy for urbanization, salons and coffee houses, and so there are the 4 things. From here, now, instead of looking at the causes or what led to it, you're going to be looking at some of the Enlightenment thinkers and what their point of view or their ideas that they had on it. So this gentleman is John Locke. Again, a video, and I would definitely encourage you to watch the video when we're here at the thinkers. It'll make the questions on the documents that they wrote, such as John Locke's 2 Trustees of Government, much easier for you. Hint, hint, wink, wink. You may be able to get away without even reading it if you watch the video. From there, the next one you'll be looking at is a guy by the name of Baron de Montesquieu. And then his famous work, The Spirit of Laws. And then we have Jean-Jacques Rousseau and his work, The Social Contract. And then lastly, we have 2 other thinkers down here with Voltaire and Denis Diderot. In this assignment, you are allowed to work with a partner of your choice, but you both must have the document completed. All right. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, have a good one. Take care.